going to be my cube collection video. So, here's my 4x4. Good. My keychain cube. My magic cube. Doesn't turn very good. And my 3x3. Really cool. Haven't lubricated any of them. And hopefully I will be getting a white DIY soon. So that's my cube collection. Magic cube, 3x3, keychain cube, and 4x4.